What's up, guys? Good morning. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Canva Pro. So, if you check my account here, you see I have one Canva Pro here, and I also have another one here. There are two different accounts. As you can see here, this is it. This is this one. Your Diamonds team. As you can see, I have 22 members on this one, and I can still invite more people. But I also have this other account, which is this, which is as you can see, Emperor Diamond. This is a new account, and okay, I think I have much people there. Let me refresh. Let me refresh. So as you can see, this is another account, and in this place there's three people in the team, and I can still invite more people to join. Now let me show you guys how you can create your own account. So first thing is we need a VPN. So as you can see, this is my own VPN. So get a VPN, download your own VPN, and connect to USA. So I'm connecting to USA. As you can see, I'm connected to USA. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to use an incognito mode, and you want to use your browser. Now I don't advise people using a Google Chrome browser. You can use Google Chrome browser, but I don't advise using it for something like this. I don't advise people using Google Chrome browser. So one of the private browser I would suggest is DuckDuckGo. This is it, DuckDuckGo. So this is the browser. As you can see, this is it, DuckDuckGo. So that's the browser I'm using, and it's one of the private browser I know that works very, very well. So now for me to create our account, I would use an incognito mode, which I'm using a new browser here, and this is it. New fire. Okay. So now as you can see, we're in an incognito mode on DuckDuckGo, and I'll search for canva.com. Once you get to this interface, all you need to do is either you sign up your account or you sign up. Sign up. Click on the sign up button, and now you can either sign up with Google, sign up with your Facebook, sign up with mail. This is my mail, but I have used my mail to open an account before. You get? So I still want to use the same mail to open another account here. So what will I do is I'll add either +1 here, or +2, or +3, or +4, any one of your choice. Just add plus something. Every number after this plus is a hidden number. Like every number after this plus is a hidden number. So automatically the server or the system does not see that number. So automatically they will send it to this mail straight up. So every number after this +1, like after this your mail, every number that is like, let me say +1, +2 is a hidden number. So automatically the server or the system does not see that number that's after that plus symbol. So automatically we send it to your direct mail. So if I was to click on receive a code, I'll get a code on my direct email, but I don't want to use my own direct email, so I'll be using a temp email. And if you're using a temp email, this is where you come to click on continue in other way, then come to this last place and click on continue with work email. So when you click on continue with work email, then you can put your temp email from here. You can put your temp email here. So you can put your temp email in this place, and you're good to go. Then click on continue mail, and I'll use my normal mail. So I click on continue. As you can see, I did use this mail to open a, like, what's it called, a Canva account. So I'm putting +2 because I did use +1. I use +1 for this particular account. This one, I use the normal mail here. As you can, okay, this is different. I use this one +1, so this is +2, and yeah, let's click on continue. Let's see if they're gonna send code. Okay, the name, Diamond, and okay, a code was sent to me. So let me check my mail to see if I get any code. No. Okay, I received a code 666118. So this is my code, and let's see. No. Precious, please let me check what code is for me. So once you either create, okay, now you're asking a question, what will you be using Canva for? Are you using for personal projects, work and business, education, or non-profit? It's all left to you to pick whatever one you are doing. So I'll be picking education, and I'll be picking I'm a teacher. And boom, we are good to go. Alright, so once you're on this interface and you want to create your own Canva Pro or your own Canva team, how would you do it? Now you need to have a team. So click on this your profile icon here, click on create a team. You get, when you click on create a team, you just click on start my team trial. Now as you can see, when you're starting your team trial, your first month is 25. Okay, for this monthly plan, if you're doing a monthly plan, it's $25 plus tax. So I think the tax might be $3 or something. So let us approximately $80 for a month for Canva Pro. But if you are doing a yearly package, your yearly package is going to be $250 plus tax. I don't know how much is the tax, so let's put approximately, let's say $300 every year. So it's left to you to pick the one of your choice. But I'll be going for the 30 days free, which is as a monthly phone. I'll be clicking on next. So now in this place, I really taught you guys how to get your card. If you're in my WhatsApp channel or in my WhatsApp community, you would have seen I've done a video on how to get your own card by yourself. So for security purpose, I won't be showing how I got my card, but if you're in the WhatsApp channel, you would have seen how I usually do. I get my card and everything. So I'll be posting this video for security purpose. And yeah, you can use your own personal card also, so there's no big deal. You can either use your own personal card, you can watch the video in the WhatsApp community, there's WhatsApp community, WhatsApp channel, and you see how to get your own card for free. Then I taught you guys how to get your credit card. So when you're here, put your credit card. So put your address, so your credit card, so your credit number, put the expiry date and the expiry month. That's CVV and CVC and the date and month. So your address, you put your address also. So now, since we are connected to a VPN and we are using a United States, so that means we need a United States address, isn't it? So once we are here, we'll copy this address right here. Then this is the address we are using. We are using this address. I already have my address, you get. So I already did a video on how to get your own address if you want to. So yeah, I'll copy the address and I'll put it here, which is this, and wait for it to load. Yeah, USA. Then once you put your address and it has confirmed, click on get free trial. Wait for it to load and just wait for some minutes or some seconds. As you can see, we are good. Payment successful. As you can see, that's how to do your Canva business plan, your Canva Pro. As you can see,